Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can create a do until loop in Excel VBA. Do until loop is also available in Excel VBA. In the previous video I have shown you how to create the for loop and do while loop, and in this video I will show you how to create the do until loop. To create this do until loop, at first of all I will highlight some cells. I will highlight these cells, and suppose I take the table of 25. By this table, that is the table of 25, you will see the table of 25 from row number 1 to row number 10. So how to do this? To do this, I have to go to Developer tab and Visual Basic, and I have to insert a module. At first of all, I have to give the module name, that is sub, that is do until loop. Do until loop. You can give any other name that you want to give. Okay. At first of all, I have to set the worksheet, that is dim sh as worksheet. Dim sh as worksheet. Set sh equal to this workbook dot worksheets, that is sheet 1, because I am working on sheet 1. You can see here set sh. Okay, now what I will do, I have given the what sh will do, and I will take another dimension, that is dim n as integer. Now I will give that n equal to 1, because n will start from the first row, that is row number 1. N will work from the first row, n equal to 1. Okay, and it will work until it covers the 10th row. It will do its work until it comes to the 10th row. Okay, so what I will give, that is do until n equal to 11. Why I am giving n equal to 11? Because n will, if the n is 11, then n have to be 10. Okay, so I give do until n equal to 11, and then sh dot range a and n dot value equal to n. What is the n? N means this. N means the row number, that is the row number 1 to 10. N into what? Into this value. What is the name of this value? What is the range? The range is D1. You can see here it is D1. Okay, so I have to give this value here, that is sh dot range, that is D1. Okay, now I have given, and it will work until it covers the row number 10, that is n equal to n plus 1, and I have to close the loop, that is loop. And if you want to see the message, then message box, and done. The code ends over here. This is the code that I have used for the do until loop. Okay, now if I go to the worksheet, then you can't see the table of 25 over here. Then after, if I run the macro, you can see the table of 25 from row number 1 to row number 10 to row number 10. If I run the macro, you can see the table of 25, and you can see the message box also. Suppose if I change the value over here, suppose if I take any value, suppose if I take 29 over here also, and if I go to the Visual Basic, and if I run the macro, then you can see the table of 29. Okay, by this you can use the do until loop in Excel VBA. Okay, I think you have understood how to create this. If you have any problem regarding this, please say us. This video is till this. Thank you all of you.